guys, when is the best time to start a week vlog that goes from Sunday morning to Saturday night? Saturday night, definitely. Sorry, it is Saturday night. Like I told you at the end of the last week's video, which was like 5 seconds ago for me, that we've had some roller coaster days the past couple weeks. So the week vlogs have kind of suffered, but I'm going to do a little cheating this week. We actually are going out to dinner now, and then I'm gonna do some stuff tomorrow that I'm actually gonna put in this week's vlog. Before we get to that, we are going out to dinner. Phil and I haven't gone on a date night in a while, so I'm really excited. We didn't even really go on a date night when we were on vacation. So it really has been a while. So I'm excited. We're gonna try to do hibachi. I'm not sure if they're open yet. If not, we're going to our other favorite like low-key spot, Blue Ridge. So let's go get some food. We just finished dinner and I forgot to tell you, we decided to go to Blue Ridge because one hibachi place, they're not starting hibachi until May. Then the other place didn't have any seatings available until like 8:30. So we were really hungry. So we went to Blue Ridge. Here's what we got. All right, Phil, where are we?
Blue Ridge.
Do you like it here?
I do.
Show us what we got.
So we got a blackened chicken quesadilla.
This is what we always get.
Yeah, it's the best quesadilla ever. And these are jalapeno poppers with raspberry dipping.
It is a great combination, so you should try it at home. Then this is their salad, and this dressing here is like a dill Greek. It's like a creamy dill. It's so good. Phil got the French onion soup, which he hasn't gotten here before.
I've gotten this here so many times it's not funny.
Oh, well, I'm totally wrong then. Is it good here?
It's very good.
Yum, looks very cheesy. All right, Phil, looks good. What'd you get?
Broiled scallops.
I got the same thing, but Phil got mashed potatoes, and those look pretty good. I got sauteed spinach with mine. Phil's scallops are definitely bigger than my scallops, so I'm just gonna say, they look good though.
So I got the broiled scallops, which were supposed to come with like a crust on top, but they didn't, like a breadcrumb.
Mine did.
Mine did not, but they were still very good. And I got mashed potatoes on the side and French onion soup. Everything was awesome. This place is like, was a hidden gem. Now everyone knows about it.
Okay, and then Phil got this peanut butter pie to go. Look at it, looks like pure straight peanut butter. That looks so good. It's his though, not mine. All right, Phil got dropped off at home. Now I'm going into Michael's. Okay, I really have been wanting these for our upstairs bathroom, and they're like super expensive. But this one's $12.99. This one's $16. This one is $19, and they're all 40% off. Just not sure if I like the colors. All right, guys, happy Sunday. Last night, we just went over to my parents' house after I went to Michael's. I got a couple things for some collabs I'm doing in May. So still working on getting that stuff together. But before we close out this week's video, I have a project that I'm hoping will spruce up some of these weekly vlogs for you. But I'm gonna be doing a spring clean-a-thon. So every single week, I'm gonna be cleaning a specific area of my home until it's no longer spring. So I think that's June 20th. So every week there's gonna be a different area of the home to clean. So I would love for you guys to participate too. Hopefully this will inspire you to maybe clean up some different areas of your home, feel more organized, what have you. Every single week I'm gonna be doing a different location in my home, and cleaning, organizing, it's kind of whatever I want it to mean. So let's start off with this week. I am going to be doing the bedroom. So specifically in my bedroom, I want to organize my closet. My closet is jam-packed. Let me show you. So I just feel like there's absolutely no room to like slide my clothes over, check out what is in my closet. I just want to better optimize the space. So this is my closet in the guest bedroom. I keep my tops and bottoms in here. And then I have my t-shirts in a bin. So I actually want to take my t-shirts out and hang them up. And again, I'm gonna work on separating fall, winter, spring, summer stuff so I can more easily see everything that I have. So I'm gonna be completely emptying my closet, kind of putting it all out on my bed. And I actually have this app called Style Book. I'm gonna try it out. Basically, you take pictures of your clothes, it's in the app, and that way you know what you have as far as clothes go, kind of plan your outfits out. The other reason I want to do the style book is because I don't know that I'm going to get rid of a ton of clothes. I really have gotten rid of quite a few things over the past couple of years with moving and just organizing, and I'm just at a point where I want to kind of separate my winter and summer clothes and just better utilize my space. So I'm hoping to put some things away and swap things out seasonally. And I think having this app will help because I'll be able to tag if it's like a spring summer thing or a fall winter clothing item. And hopefully that'll help. So let's start cleaning. Alright guys, I have a couple errands to run, but I've made some major progress. Let me just show you what is off of my bed. So I still have a couple piles here, but it was a mountain before. So let me go run my errands and then we'll get back to this. Alright guys, a little later in the night, I'm making progress. Let me show you what I'm doing with the closet. Alright, so I just cleaned the floor in here, and then I have this one bin that has winter dresses. I actually need to go and label the bin so I can easily see when I want to swap things out. And I'm hoping to put a couple more bins back here because the dresses sit kind of forward on this bar. So I do have some storage room behind, and that's where I'm hoping to keep all my seasonal stuff. All right, I labeled the bins and I added a new one. It's all my formal dresses. I watched this organization video of this quilter with my mom. My mom's really into quilting, and she talked about having things in different distances based on how much you need them. So the formal wear I put in a bin, even though they may be spring or summer, I wanted them put away because I really don't use them all that much. And when I do, I can look in the app, see what I have, know what's in the bin, and then pull the bin out and look for said item. And if I don't see anything that I want to use in the bin, I can know I can just go and look and try to purchase something else. So that's kind of the goal with this, is to get things that I don't really need out of the way, things that I use very infrequently out of the way, and just have the stuff that are the most immediate needs out and easily accessible. So that's what I'm trying to do with my clothes, and frankly a bunch of other closet spaces that I'm hoping to do through this spring clean-a-thon, because the closets in our house are a little wonky, and I feel like we don't have as much storage space as I need. It's a whole nother issue. I feel like I just gotta get rid of stuff. But also I can better utilize those spaces if I kind of keep that tiered step in mind. So got the bins in the closet. I'm hoping to put 2 more bins in that empty space, but let's get all my dresses in the closet. And here is the final closet. Now, a lot more space than there was before. I can actually like move stuff, which is great. And then I also have all of my tops in this closet as well, which is nice. Then in the back, it's a little dark, but there's 3 bins back there. Can actually fit 1 more, which I might put shoes in. That is a whole nother closet fiasco. I do want to put all of my tees in the other closet. I have some jerseys too. These actually were in the bottom of the dress closet. So I'm excited to be able to hang those up and make them a little bit more easily accessible. And then I actually ended up getting rid of a lot of stuff. There's 4 bags here, they're overflowing, so I think it's gonna be about 6 bags of clothes that I'm gonna donate or give to someone. Just things I don't wear, don't fit, not in my style anymore. So excited to have a bunch of stuff out of the closet. It was nice to just take everything out, photograph it, and I was able to make easy decisions. So in the next couple days, I'm hoping to finish up putting all the pictures into the app, organizing the t-shirts. I also have a rack of pants. That should go pretty quick. I don't have a ton of stuff there. And then also working on getting rid of all of the extra clothes that I kind of took out into a donation pile. So major progress. I'm really excited to be kicking off the spring Clean-A-Thon with a very successful closet organization. So next week I'm going to be working on the garage, which I've honestly already been working on. So I'll kind of show you some progress with that. And I will also do some more organization out there. Until next week, guys, peace, love, and kwaherini.